Kylie Jenner, born on August 10, 1997, in California, USA, has made an indelible mark in the world of business and beauty. Rising to fame through her family's reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Jenner's entrepreneurial spirit and savvy business acumen have propelled her to incredible heights. In this video, we will explore Kylie Jenner's career trajectory, her groundbreaking success in the cosmetics industry, and her astonishing net worth. The Kardashian-Jenner influence. The Kardashian-Jenner influence has been instrumental in shaping Kylie Jenner's journey to success. Growing up as part of one of the most famous families in the entertainment industry, Jenner was immersed in a world of fame, business, and branding from an early age. The influence of her siblings, particularly her older half-sister Kim Kardashian, played a significant role in shaping her entrepreneurial aspirations. Jenner witnessed the power of personal branding, strategic partnerships, and social media in building a successful empire. The family's reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, provided a platform for Jenner to showcase her personality and garner a dedicated fan base. The Kardashian-Jenner influence taught Jenner the importance of creating a strong personal brand and leveraging her platform to forge her own path to success. The birth of Kylie Cosmetics. The birth of Kylie Cosmetics in 2015 was a groundbreaking moment that propelled Kylie Jenner into the forefront of the beauty industry. Inspired by her love for makeup and her desire to create her own line of products, Jenner introduced the world to the first-ever Kylie Lip Kit. This innovative concept combined a liquid lipstick with a matching lip liner, allowing consumers to achieve Jenner's signature pout. The release of the Kylie Lip Kit caused a frenzy, with the product selling out within minutes and crashing the website. This unprecedented success validated Jenner's vision and showcased her ability to tap into the desires of her dedicated fan base. From that moment on, Kylie Cosmetics became a global phenomenon, expanding its product range to include eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, blushes, and more. The birth of Kylie Cosmetics not only revolutionized the way beauty products are launched and marketed, but also solidified Jenner's status as a beauty mogul and entrepreneurial powerhouse. A billionaire at a young age. Kylie Jenner's net worth is an extraordinary achievement that has earned her numerous accolades. In 2019, at the age of just 21, she was declared the youngest self-made billionaire by Forbes magazine. This remarkable feat was primarily attributed to the phenomenal success of Kylie Cosmetics, which played a significant role in catapulting Jenner to financial prosperity. The brand sales, combined with Jenner's strategic partnerships and endorsement deals, have contributed to her astounding net worth. Leveraging social media and influencer culture. Kylie Jenner's mastery of social media platforms has been instrumental in her business success. With a massive following on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, she has created a direct line of communication with her fans, effectively utilizing her influence to promote her brand and products. Jenner's ability to generate buzz and create anticipation for product launches through strategic social media campaigns has proven to be a game-changer in the beauty industry, establishing her as an influential figure and trendsetter. Expansion and brand collaborations. Kylie Jenner's business journey has been defined by her astute approach to expansion and strategic brand collaborations. Recognizing the value of collaboration, Jenner has ventured beyond her cosmetics empire to forge partnerships that have propelled her success even further. These collaborations have allowed her to tap into new markets, diversify her brand offerings, and amplify her influence. By teaming up with established brands, Jenner has expanded her reach and solidified her position in the industry. Collaborations with global beauty retailer Ulta Beauty and fashion brands like Balmain and Kindle plus Kylie have granted her access to larger audiences and provided platforms to showcase her expertise and creativity. These partnerships have not only elevated her brand's visibility but also opened doors to new opportunities and revenue streams. Jenner's expansion and brand collaborations demonstrate her business acumen, strategic thinking, and willingness to explore new avenues for growth. Through these partnerships, she has successfully extended her influence beyond the cosmetics industry, cementing her status as a formidable entrepreneur with a keen eye for seizing opportunities and unlocking new possibilities for her brand. Empowering a younger generation. As one of the youngest self-made billionaires, Kylie Jenner has become an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and young individuals around the world. Her success story showcases the power of determination, creativity, and innovation. By establishing her own business empire at a young age, she has demonstrated that age is not a barrier to achieving remarkable success. Jenner's journey has encouraged many to pursue their passions, take risks, and forge their own paths to success. She has become a role model for young people, empowering them to embrace their individuality, strive for excellence, and follow their dreams. Digital influence and media presence. Kylie Jenner's impact extends beyond her entrepreneurial ventures. Her significant online presence and digital influence have contributed to her overall success and cultural influence. Jenner's social media platforms serve as powerful tools for connecting with her fans, promoting her brand, and engaging with her audience. She has mastered the art of personal branding, leveraging her social media presence to curate a carefully crafted image and maintain a direct line of communication with her followers. Through her posts, stories, and interactions, Jenner has built a strong and dedicated fan base that eagerly follows her every move. Her online influence extends beyond her own brand, as her endorsements and product recommendations have the power to shape trends and drive consumer behavior. Jenner's digital presence and media influence have played a significant role in solidifying her status as a cultural icon and influential figure in the modern age. Beyond her business endeavors, Kylie Jenner has demonstrated a commitment to philanthropy. She has used her platform and resources to support various charitable causes, including donating to organizations focused on education, children's hospitals, and those providing aid during natural disasters. Jenner's philanthropic efforts reflect her desire to make a positive impact and give back to the community. Kylie Jenner's remarkable success story is a testament to her entrepreneurial spirit, business acumen, and ability to leverage her influence in the age of social media. From her initial rise to fame on reality television to becoming a billionaire businesswoman, Jenner has carved out her own path and left an indelible mark in the beauty industry. Her net worth is a reflection of her groundbreaking achievements, strategic collaborations, and the unwavering support of her loyal fan base. As she continues to evolve and expand her brand, Kylie Jenner's influence and financial success are set to soar to even greater heights. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.